In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Microsoft Copilot app on Windows. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, these simple steps will get you up and running in no time. Now let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to locate the Copilot app on your Windows device. It should be easily accessible from your desktop or through the Start menu. Once you've found it, go ahead and open the app. Now, let's move on to the next step. You'll notice a sidebar within the Copilot app. Take a moment to find the profile or avatar icon, typically located towards the upper right part of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked the avatar icon, a menu will appear with various options. Among these options, you should see Sign In. Select this to proceed with logging into your account. This brings us to the next important part of the process. You'll be prompted to enter your account details. Make sure you have your email and password ready, as you'll need them to access your account. Enter them carefully to avoid any errors. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're logging into the correct one by double-checking the email you've entered. In some cases, Microsoft may require additional verification as part of its security protocol. If prompted, you'll need to complete multi-factor authentication. This could involve entering a code sent to your registered phone number or email. Take the necessary steps to satisfy the authentication requirement, and once you've completed these, you'll be successfully logged in. With the login process complete, you now have full access to the exciting features of the Microsoft Copilot app. This means you can start engaging with Copilot by initiating chats, uploading files directly from your device, or using voice commands to drive your interactions. These functionalities are designed to enhance your productivity and provide a rich, interactive experience. So take some time to explore these features and see how they can best meet your needs. That's it. You've successfully logged into the Microsoft Copilot app on your Windows device. I hope this guide was helpful and that it makes your experience with Copilot more seamless and enjoyable. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time for more tech tips and tutorials.